Entrepreneurs and nonprofit founders, are you spending too much time writing emails, creating social media posts, and preparing for meetings? ChatGPT can help. Here are 3 simple ways to use it today. Number one, we're going to ask ChatGPT to please create us a donor thank you letter. We wanted to include what our project was and how we use the funds. And this is a prompt that I pre-populated. Let's go. So it's going to create us a donor thank you letter. I think this is so amazing. We don't have to spend a lot of time. There you go, folks. It's going to create us a professional letter. And there's our letter. So when you got to send out various donors letters, use ChatGPT to help you out. You can always go in, edit it. It's to assist you and save you some time. Let's go to our next prompt. Sake of this video, I kind of had already had these done for you. Create me some social media content for why people should use AI. And you can use whatever topic you want. Create captions, a short video, an idea, along with a list of hashtags. Let's see what it gives us. It's thinking right now. And you can use whatever topic. So when you have to come up with certain content ideas and you need it done quickly, just ask ChatGPT. And there you go. It's giving me some topics. Let's see if it's creating the video ideas, the different scenes, and there are my hashtags. Saving us time, folks, saving you time. So if you're an entrepreneur or you're somebody that works with nonprofits or any type of business, you can always use these prompts that would definitely help you. Here is the third prompt. Create me a meeting agenda for my meetings. The meeting topic is about AI and should last for 1 hour. Make it clear and organized. There you go, folks. And now ChatGPT is going to help us out. Look at that. It says, I'll organize this 1 hour meeting for you. Check it out. There's my agenda, meeting purpose, agenda gives me the ideas, all of that. This is fantastic, folks. So you see how long did that take me? It saved me a lot of time. So these are just some brief prompts to help you get started. Play around with ChatGPT or Claude. Let me tell you, folks, it's a game changer. So I hope this helped you. Click or follow me and comment in the description, and I'll send you these links. AI is not here to replace your heart, experience, or mission. It is here to help you work smarter and save time. Save this reel and follow.